Hello everyone, welcome to Salsal Academy. I'm Ali Owaria as your instructor and tutor of IGCSE and O-Level. In this video, I'm going to solve the mathematics paper 2 non-calculator extended of IGCSE of 580-21, the numbers and the October and November of 2023 months. So let's start it. Before this starting, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching to the end. Okay, here the first and second paper. Here we have the formula. If you need all of the formula that you need, here exists. You can use this formula. Now I am going to solve the first question here. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle. So how to solve? You should find the value of x in this isosceles. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle. You should find the value of x. How we can find? As you know that isosceles triangle has two equal sides. So for example, if we label this one like this angle is given 41 degrees and this angle is called x. If we call a, this one is also a, because the opposite of every angle is the same. So we can directly know that here this angle is also 21 degree. As you know, the total degree of or the total angle of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write here 41 degree plus x plus 41 degree equal to 180 degree. Then we can solve this one for the x equal plus 41 plus 41 82 equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180. We carry over the right side of the equation and change the positive to negative, minus 82. Then x is equal to 0 minus 8. Actually we borrow 1, 10 minus 2, 8, and here remains 7, 7 minus 8. Actually we borrow from this one, 17 minus 8, 9. The answer is 98 degrees, the value of x. This was the answer of question number 1. Now we are going to solve the question number 2. In question number 2 here is the steam and leaf diagram shows the time in minutes it takes each of 15 people to complete a race. Find the mode, range, and median. This question has 3 parts, so keep watching carefully. First, we write the numbers here. As you know that the leaf and steam diagram, we can say here 1 and 6, 16. Next one 16, next one 17, and next one 21, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, again 27, 27, 30, 31, and the last one is 31. This is actually the numbers that the people participate in race and take the time to complete the path. Find the mode. What's the mode? The mode is the thing that's the most actually repeated or most frequency in the data here. Which first compare which one is more here. I take with other color. For example, this color here is 16 2 times, 17 1 times, 21 1 times, 23 2 times, 24 1 times, 25 1 times, 26 1 times, 27 27 3 times, 3 30 and 31 2 times. So here is repeated, the most data repeated or frequency here is 27. So the mode of this data is 27 because it is repeated 3 times in this race. Next one, we should find the range. How we can find the range? You should subtract the least data from the largest data or the maximum or the biggest data. So the range here is actually 31 minus 16. We subtract 11 minus 6, 5. And sorry, yes, 11 here we borrow, minus 6 remain 5, and here remain 2 minus 1 1. So the range is here 15. And the last one is, should you find the median. We count the number of data here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and the last one is 15. Here is 15% or 15 people participated in this race. Here is the number of data is odd. So odd, the median is when you arrange the data ascendingly or descendingly. Actually, the middle is, or the median is actually in the middle. Here is number 8 is in the middle. So the median is, we can say, equal to 25. This is the median of this question. It is question number 2. Question number 3. Complete these statements. Statements when x is equal to empty, x plus 3 is 8. What should find the value of x? And part B, when 7y is 33, 7y is, when 7y is 63, 10y is equal to 1. We should find and calculate this one here. The first question, here we should find the value of x, how much the x, but given as x plus 3 is equal to 8. We can find x is equal to 8 minus 3. We carry over the 3 to the right side of the question and change positive to negative. So the x is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. Then we can write here x is equal to 5. This is the answer of part A. Then we can find that part B. Part B given us that 7y is equal to 63. We divide both sides by 7 and we here simplify or cancel, just y remain 179 times of 7 is 63. So the value of y is 9. Here we can find, we should find 10y. Then we can multiply 10y is actually 10 multiplied by 9, 90. This is the answer of this question. If you like this equation, please like the video. Question number 5, factorize completely. We should factorize this one, part A and part B. h minus 144. We should factorize these two question. Okay, part A, we can write here 42 m k minus 35 m. We can write here 42, we can write here that 7 times of 6, because 7 multiplied by 6 gave us 42 m k, and multiplied by 35 we can write 5 multiplied by 7 m. Here we have common m in both sides, in both term actually, and also 7 in both term. We take a common as a factor, 7 m. Here remains 6 k also, minus here remain 5. So the answer is this one, 7m minus 6k minus 5. This answer. Part B,